Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix battery not charging to 100% in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and your battery is charging not charging up to 100%, so let's see how can you fix that issue. You must have to open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for battery option, tap on it, and here just select battery protection. Here maybe your battery has been limited charging. Here enable, you must have to turn it off. So here you must have to select 85, 90 or 95% if you want, but if you want to get 100%, so here just select the best basic option. If you have selected adaptive, so you must have to unselect it or select basic from here. Once you have selected, your battery protection will be turned on and you'll get 100% battery to charging. So that's how you can easily fix battery not charging to 100% in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.